In this video I will show you how to make unusual wrap made in Irish lace technique. We are working on the front side of the project. We divide our work on some parts. Make a picture in real size, pin it on a mat, pin all elements such as flowers, leaves, make small leaves, then sew places of contiguity, then all 3 places will be filled up with chaotic mesh. To complete the work, make a trim. For work you need crochet flowers, knitted cord, round elements, mat, crochet hooks, scissors, pins, and angora yarns. Make a picture in real size and pin it on a mat. I pin my pattern on the mat. As you can see, I have got a big pattern, so I divide this pattern on 3 parts: the middle part and 2 corners. Let's begin the work. Pin ready elements on the pattern. Firstly, I pin big flower, then the smalls. Then pin round elements and leaves, cords, and also I will use for this wrap such branches. Now I show you how to make the branches and leaves. Let's begin the work. I did a chain, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chains. Now I'm going to work with Tunisian crochet. It will be a leaf. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch away from the hook, pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the next chain stitch, pull up a loop. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next chain stitch, pull up a loop, and pull through 2 loops. Then you should make 7 double crochet stitches, not finish. We have done 2. Continue working. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have done 7 double crochet stitches. Insert the hook into the last chain stitch, pull up a loop. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops till the end of this row. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We have done the first side of the leaf. I turn the work. Insert the hook into the chain stitch, pull up a loop. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next chain stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next chain stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. So continue working in this way till the end of this row. Insert the hook into the last chain stitch, pull up a loop. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops till the end of this row. I cut off the yarn and the leaf is ready. If you would like to have bigger leaf, you should make more chains in the foundation chain. The ready leaves will be pinned on the pattern. Let's make branch. I did chain, then chain of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Insert the hook into the third chain stitch away from the hook. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over the hook. Make double crochet 8 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remove the hook. Insert the hook into the third chain stitch at the beginning of this round. Take the working loop, pull it through. The popcorn stitch is ready into the 1 stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Insert the hook into the third chain stitch away from the hook. Make 7 double crochet into this stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now work with the third chain stitch on the beginning of this round. Make a slip stitch. Then you should make 8 chains and popcorn stitches made of double crochet. In the next time you should make less double crochet stitches than we did in the previous time. I minus 1 stitch into each popcorn stitch. I have already pinned my all elements. Then you should sew places of contiguity. I have already sewn my places of contiguity. As you can see, all 3 places was filled up with chaotic mesh. Now I show you how to make the chaotic mesh. Make the chaotic mesh. Chain 1, 2, 3. Remove the hook, insert the hook into the chain space, take the working loop, pull it through. Chain 1, 2, 3. Yarn over the hook. Make double crochet into the chain space. Chain 1, 2, 3. Make the popcorn stitch. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the third chain stitch away from the hook. Then you should make 6 more double crochet. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pull up the working loop, remove the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Everything correct. I remove the hook, insert the hook into the 3rd chain stitch at the beginning of this round. Take the working loop, pull it through. The popcorn stitch is ready. You can make more double crochet or less, this is by your wish. Chain 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the chain space, take the working loop, pull it through. Chain 1, 2, 3. Remove the hook. Insert the hook into the chain space, take the working loop, pull it through. Chain 1, 2, 3. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the chain space, make double crochet. Chain 1, 2. Remove the hook, insert the hook into the chain space, take the working loop, pull it through. Chain 1, 2, 3. Double crochet into the chain space. 1, 2, 3. Remove the hook, insert the hook into the chain space, take the working loop, pull it through. Chain 1. As you can see, I have done bigger chaotic mesh close to the elements. So continue working in this way till the end of the space. I have done the chaotic mesh and now I show you how to make the trim. I continue working on the trim. Make 5 single crochet, 1. Then work into the next chain space, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number of stitches you determine by yourself. I have done 5 single crochet, then chain 3 for the picot, and work a slip stitch into 2 loops of the single crochet. Then 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then chain 3 for the picot and work a slip stitch into 2 loops of the single crochet. So continue working in this way till the end of the row. Today we have learned how to make beautiful wrap made in Irish lace technique. We invite you to visit our store Rachel Boutique. Rachel Boutique is the unique, stylish handmade clothing studio by Elena Rugal. Together with purchasing the ready clothes offered, you are more than welcome to order any model you like at the boutique to be made special for you with love. Thanks for watching.